temperatures will warm over the weekend and for the start of next week.
Yay, not on the own guard.
And thunderstorms will return for the early and middle parts of next week. The better chances will be Tuesday night and Wednesday when a cold front will move through the region. Your local forecast. Today, partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 70s.
That.
Southeast
Off on the Radio Shack and the alert works.
Tonight, clear before midnight and becoming cloudy. Lows in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour.
I love it.
Monday, cloudy. A 20% chance of showers in the afternoon.
When does this thing
Highs
expire?
in the lower 70s. South winds 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts to around
It expires
30
at
miles
10:38.
per hour. Monday night, mostly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms before midnight. Then partly cloudy with
This one didn't go off. That never activates. Agent didn't activate, which sucks.
southeast winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts to around 25 miles per hour, becoming southwest 5 miles per hour after
Oh well.
midnight. Chance of rain 50%.
That one didn't activate
Tuesday,
either.
partly cloudy in the morning, then clearing. Highs in the lower 80s. Northwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, shifting to the south in the afternoon. Tuesday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s.
EAS number 8.
Mostly cloudy with chance of showers and slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning. Then partly cloudy with chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. Chance of rain 50%. Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms before midnight. Then mostly cloudy with showers and thunderstorms likely after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. Chance of rain 60%. Thursday, partly cloudy with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning, then mostly sunny in the afternoon.
Come on, do the message.
Highs in the lower 70s. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 40s.
Do the message again.
Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Friday night, clear before midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. Saturday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs around 80. The San Antonio climate summary for yesterday, March 20th, 2021. Yesterday's high temperature of 71 degrees occurred at 6:15 p.m. The normal high is 75. The record high is 93 degrees, which was set in 1976. Yesterday's low temperature of 42 degrees occurred at 7:56 a.m. The normal low is 52. The record low is 26 degrees, which was set in 1965. No precipitation fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.14 inches.
Yeah, I got the first one on 400. Won't work. Oh wait, I got out that one. First alert on the alert work. Radio Shack and Eton.
Which is 2.51 inches below normal.
Yay.
The record high for today is 94, which occurred in 1904.
No
And the
light
record
flashing.
low is 28, which occurred in 1965. Sunrise today is at 7:36 a.m. and sunset is at 7:46 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. Waco Police Department is searching for Alejandra Diana Castro,
they're doing a message.
female, 16 years old,
They're doing a
5
message.
feet 05 inches, 140 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing glasses, a white crop top, Ariat jacket with Mexico flag on the back and blue jeans. The child was last heard from in Waco, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Waco Police Department at 254-750-7500. News media point of contact is Waco Police Department at 254-750-7500. You are listening to NOAA. Weather Radio, station WXK57, the voice of
Nice, they did the message again. Yay.
broadcasting on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from a transmitting antenna in northwest San